Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the region and we need to write about the region in here. So about s squared, the graph should be like this. About s to the power of 3, the graph should be like this. So the region we need to concentrate, that should be about this one. Now we need to find the intersection in here and here. So we have s squared equals to s to the power of 3. So I will put this one go to here. Now we can do about factorization by s squared. So for this one, we will have about s equal to number 0 and s minus 1 equals to number 0. So we put negative number 1 go to the right, and you got about s equal to number 1. So this one, we know that should be about number 1. Now we have y, that should be in here. We see that y between about s squared and s to the power of 3. So the power of y, that should be about from s to the power of 3, because this is about the lower, and s squared, that's about upper in here. About s, that should be from here. So s between from 0 to number 1. So here is about 0. Here is about number 1. And now we have this one in here. And now we put the bounds. So we have y, so we have dy in here between s to the power of 3 and s squared. So we put this one in here. About ds, they between from 0 and number 1. So we put number 0 in here, number 1 in here. And now we need to calculate about this one. We have dy, the integration of 2s, you got about 2sy. This one we have 4y squared over 2. Number 1, that's about y. And we put the bounds from s to the power of 3 to s squared ds. Now we put s squared gone here. S to the power of 3 gone here. So we have 2s to the power of 3 plus 4 divided by 2, you got about 2 s squared with inside the y in here. You got about s to the power of 4 s squared with change for y. You got about s squared minus s to the power of 3 gone here. You got about 2s to the power of 4. This one gone here. You got about negative number 2 s to the power of 6 and gone here. Negative s to the power of 3 dx. Now we need to simplify 2x to the power of 4, 2x to the power of 4, 2x to the power of 3 minus s to the power of 3. You got about s to the power of 3 plus s squared minus 2x to the power of 6 dx. Now the integration of this one, we have s to the power of 4 over 4 plus plus s to the power of 3 over 3 minus 2s to the power of 7 over 7. And now we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 in here, number 0 go in here. Minus about this one. And now we got the final answer. That is about 25 over 84. This is the end. Thank you for watching.